Indian Premier League IPL 2026, match number 2, details and both teams playing 11. Mumbai Indians vs Kolkata Knight Riders, starting date 29 March 2026, time 7:30 PM Indian Standard Time, venue Wakan Stadium, Mumbai. Mumbai Indians best playing 11. Number 1, Rohit Sharma. Number 2, Surya Kumar Yadav. Number 3, Ryan Rickle. Number 4, Tilak Verma. Number 5, Hardik Pandya. Number 6, Sharpen Rutherford. Number 7, Mitchell Shatner. Number 8, Trent Bolt. Number 9, Jasprit Bumrah. Number 10, Mayank Markant. Number 11, Quinton de Kock. Kolkata Knight Riders best playing 11. Number 1, Shulin Nairi. Number 2, Finn Allen. Number 3, Ajinkya Rahane. Number 4, Angrish Rajavamshi. Number 5, Robman Powell. Number 6, Rinku Singh. Number 7, Cameron Green. Number 8, Ramandeep Singh. Number 9, Barun Chakraborty. Number 10, Harshpreet Rana. Number 11, Mateshapati Rana. So viewers, which is your favorite player? Tell me in comment box.